Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two ways to use vidIQ AI title generator. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Alright, so first up, as you can see here under feed, you'll be able to see some title suggestions for your videos. This is your current title. And vidIQ right here suggests that you use this title with this score. Okay, well, that means there should be more people that will likely click on this specific topic or title, unlike your original title. Okay, so you could just go ahead and click on apply title right here or regenerate. Now, the other option is when you go ahead over to your YouTube studio. Okay, for example, this one. I want to go ahead and click on the title. vidIQ suggestions right here should pop up. If not, just click on regenerate. Okay, so as you can see here we have the results or suggestions from vidIQ. So this one got the highest score. My original title was how to fix Rockstar activation code already in use. Is a fix. Now it suggested fix Rockstar activation code already in use in seconds. So most people should go ahead and click on this, okay, instead of this title. So if you want to use it, just click on the checkbox. That will automatically write down by itself. And when you go ahead and scroll down, description as well will be listed in here. So you can now then go ahead and click on Save Changes. And after that, you're good to go. All right, you could also go back to vidIQ right here and then go ahead and go to Optimize. Now, for example, you've already got some videos right here. Let's say this video that hasn't gotten any views. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on it. And here we have the title section. So just wait for its suggestion to generate, and then you'll be able to see it right here. Okay, it says, my original title, Google Chrome, how to clear cache. Google Chrome stop websites from loading wrong. The cache problem nobody talks about. What's hidden in your browser right now? Okay, you can go ahead and choose from whatever right here. If not, you could also go to more tools and then go ahead over to title generator. So you go ahead and select long form or shorts. All right, let's say topic about fixing Windows 11 error ntfs.sys, just for example. Now go ahead and click on generate and then just wait for it to load. And as you can see here we have some SEO optimized results and some outlier titles. Okay, so for SEO optimized results, we have this 90 score. The worst Windows 11 mistake, ntfs.sys crash. The only way to repair ntfs.sys permanently. This one is catchy. Okay, this one as well. Don't pay for PC repairs. Fix ntfs.sys now. And some outlier titles right here says fix ntfs.sys Windows 11. This changes everything. So you can just go ahead and select from one of these titles for your specific video. And there you have it. That's how simple it is to use vidIQ AI title generator. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.